Alright, what's good YouTube? We back at it with another video, another unboxing on the channel. Another pickup that we were able to grab for retail off of the sneakers app. This shoe right here had a lot of hype. People were going crazy over it last weekend and they just came in, so we're gonna go ahead. I don't know why my box is all beat up, but yes, we were able to grab these for retail off of the sneakers app. Let's check them out. The Jordan 5 Black Metallics. Nike Air at the back. Lace lock. I'm seeing like some scuff marks, some marks that I don't like already on these. On the Nike Air, it's like there's a line over the swoosh where it changes colors. I see it's reflective on the camera. I'm not sure if the camera's really picking it up, but yeah, I don't really like that. These are dead stock out of the box though, but it looks like somebody already rocked them. I'm not feeling those little scuff marks already. But yeah, this shoe comes with the black laces, a lot of hype behind this shoe. The icy blue bottoms. Right here we have a clear Nike Air tag. Red Jumpman on the tongue of this shoe. Red Jumpman right there. Lace lock. I think these look ugly with the white laces. I'm not gonna lie to you all. It's probably best to rock them with the black laces. You have the Air Jordan tab inside. I'm seeing scuffs around the base of the shoe that I just don't like. I feel like it's only going to get worse as you actually rock them. But yeah, let me know if you all were able to grab these for retail. Going into All-Star Weekend, I'm expecting shock drops. I'm also expecting some restock on some shoes. So these will it'll be restocks that hit on these. Just keep them alerts on, keep them notifications on. It's a lot of accounts out there that you can follow, tap in to make sure that you are able to grab them off of the restock. I wouldn't personally pay resale for these. People are charging like $100 more already, 100, 150 depending on the size, and I don't feel like it's worth it. You will be able to get your hands on these. I say be patient, just be patient. I don't know if these are like glue marks, whatever it is I'm seeing around the shoe. I do not like that already. I do not like it. But yeah, the black metallic 5s, like I said, everyone was going crazy over these this past weekend. Let me know what you all think about the shoe in the comment section below. We got them. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them, if I'm gonna rock them, or if I'm going to sell them. You all let me know in the comments. Should I keep these? Should I add them to the collection? Or should I go ahead and flip them while I can? But yeah, with that being said, I'm out, family. Peace.